How tiresome people are. Your husband deserves to be thrown out of here neck and crop, but it will all end by this old Granny Sorin and his sister asking the man's pardon. See if it doesn't.
He has sent the carriage horses into the fields, too. These misunderstandings occur every day. If you only knew how they excite me. I am ill. See? I am trembling all over. I cannot endure his rough ways. Eugene, my darling, my beloved, take me to you. Our time is short. We are no longer young. Let us end deception and concealment, even though it is only at the end of our lives.
I am 55 years old. It is too late now for me to change my way of living.
I know that you refuse me because there are other women who are near to you, and you cannot take everybody. I understand. Excuse me. I see I'm only bothering you.
No, it is all right.
I am tortured by jealousy. Of course, you are a doctor and cannot escape from women. I understand.
How are things in there?
Madame Arkadina is crying, and Sorin is having an attack of asthma.
Let us go and give them both some chamomile tea.
Here are some flowers for you.
Thank you.
What pretty flowers. Give me those flowers. Give them to me. How strange to see famous actors weeping, and for such a trifle. Is it not strange, too, that a famous author would sit fishing all day? He is an idol of the public. The papers are full of him. His photograph is for sale everywhere. His works have been translated into many foreign languages, and yet he's overjoyed if he catches a couple of minnows. I always thought famous people were distant and proud. I thought they despised the common crowd which exalts riches and birth and avenge themselves on it by dazzling it with the indistinguishable honor and glory of their fame. But here I see them weeping and playing cards and flying into passions like everyone else.
Are you alone here?
Yes? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this?
I laid at your feet.
What is happening to you?
So soon shall I end my own life.